Are you worried about your job security in today's unpredictable economy? You're not alone. Many people are concerned about the future of their careers and finances. But here's the good news. There are steps you can take to protect yourself financially. In this video, we're going to cover how to prepare for uncertain times and secure your financial future. The first and most important step is building an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net if you suddenly lose your job or face unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. If that seems overwhelming, start small. Begin with a goal of saving $500 or $1,000. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend it on non-essential items. Having this cushion can prevent you from going into debt or having to dip into your investments in case of a financial emergency. Next, focus on reducing your debt. The less debt you have, the lower your monthly expenses will be. Start by paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards. Consider using the snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first, then use that momentum to tackle larger ones. Or use the avalanche method, where you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first to save money on interest. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consider consolidating them into a personal loan with a lower interest rate. This can make your payments more manageable and reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. Another way to protect yourself financially is to diversify your income. Relying on just one source of income can be risky in uncertain times. Think about starting a side hustle or freelancing. This could be anything from consulting in your field to selling handmade products online. Even a small side income can provide a financial buffer and give you more flexibility if your main job is at risk. It's also important to stay up to date with your skills. Learning new skills can make you more valuable in your current role and open up new opportunities. Look for online courses, certifications, or workshops in areas related to your field. This not only makes you more competitive, but also prepares you for potential career shifts. If you're considering a career change, research industries that are resilient even during economic downturns. For example, healthcare, technology, and renewable energy are sectors that often remain strong during uncertain times. Networking is also a crucial part of job security. Stay connected with colleagues, industry contacts, and professional organizations. Attend networking events, even virtual ones, and engage on platforms like LinkedIn. Your network can be a valuable resource if you're looking for a new job or need advice on navigating your career. Update your LinkedIn profile and resume regularly. Highlight your recent achievements, any new skills you've gained, and how you've contributed to your current company. This makes it easier to apply for new opportunities if needed. Now, let's talk about how to manage your expenses in uncertain times. Start by reviewing your current spending and creating a budget. Identify areas where you can cut back, even temporarily. For example, consider reducing discretionary expenses like dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions. If you can, try to lower your fixed expenses as well. This could mean refinancing your mortgage, negotiating your rent, or shopping around for better rates on insurance and utilities. Every dollar you save can be put towards building your emergency fund or paying down debt. If you're worried about losing your job, create a plan now. Know which expenses are essential and which can be cut if your income drops. Make a list of steps you would take if you lost your job, like applying for unemployment benefits or cutting non-essential spending. It's also wise to understand your unemployment benefits. Know what you're entitled to, how to apply, and the requirements for receiving benefits. This knowledge can save you time and stress during a difficult period. If your job situation feels unstable, consider looking for new opportunities while you're still employed. It's often easier to find a job when you already have one. Update your resume, start networking, and keep an eye on job listings in your field. Remember, the job market can be competitive, especially during an economic downturn. The more proactive you are, the better positioned you'll be. Let's address the emotional side of job uncertainty. Worrying about your job and finances can take a toll on your mental health. It's important to manage stress and take care of yourself during these times. Practice self-care, whether that's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider talking to a counselor or therapist. Sometimes, just having someone to talk to can make a big difference. Also, keep in mind that job loss or financial setbacks do not define your worth. These challenges are temporary and do not reflect your value as a person or professional. Remember, preparation is key. Having a financial plan in place can give you peace of mind and more options if things change. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance based on your unique situation. In summary, protect yourself financially by building an emergency fund, reducing debt, and diversifying your income. Stay up to date with your skills and keep your network strong. Manage your expenses and have a plan in place in case of job loss. With these steps, you can navigate uncertain times with more confidence and less stress. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more Money Mindset Makeover content.